Hello, friends. These are 10 minutes guided meditations which anybody can do anywhere, anytime. We are experimenting with ourselves without any expectations and with open mind that anything can happen. We are prepared for the unknown. Only condition for doing these meditations is 100% commitment from our side that we will give it our full energy. Unless we are prepared to give our utmost, it shall be a futile effort. We are going on an adventure deep into our being. No more just talking about meditations. We shall start with the first meditation. After attempting it for at least 3 times, if we are not enjoying it, we can proceed to second meditation. And if after doing it for 3 times, we still feel no joy in doing it, proceed to third meditation, and so on. Once we find a meditation which gives us an experience of exuberance, of calmness and joy, we should go deep into that meditation. No need to change the meditation anymore. We shall disconnect with whatever we are doing and come to present once we hear the stop at the start of each meditation. We are doing these experiments with meditations by our own, and nobody else is responsible for outcome. It is common that you do not wish to say a word after the meditation. But by giving your response after the meditation shall greatly benefit the fellow meditators. Express your experience if you want to. Thank you.